"300 years ago, in the far eastern lands of Karatur, there was a town, Aru Town, a flourishing and prosperous town. And it was so because of a wizard who lived there, the wizard Tato. Tato was a powerful wizard who employed his powers to help the town in all aspects, from food growth to city defense, and he was most famous for his collection of powerful artifacts he had created in his studies, the most famous of which was the Amethyst of the Mind, a 6-inch long gem suspended in a circle of flowing liquid gold. It was in this gem that Tato poured all of his knowledge, his greatest creation, as it was built using everything he had ever learned in his studies. It was even said that it had become sentient. But shortly after its creation, the old wizard died, and the beginning of Aru's decline had begun. Mourning the loss of its former master, the gem reached out to find a new one, but could not do so. With Tato's magical tower left unchecked, and the amethyst left to wallow in its sorrow, the magics around them became more and more unstable. Soon the magic began to twist and pervert into curses that connected to the collection of items Tato had in his tower. As the years passed on, the town became more and more cursed. Death and chaos filled the streets. Hope was becoming scarce. The people even rioted and pillaged the temples of the gods for having abandoned them to the twisted magic. The town began to crumble. But just as soon as all hope began to fade, tourism sprouted again. Knowing full well the dangers of the city, groups of people would flood from all over the world to the cursed Aru Town. Adventurers seeking fame and glory, heroes seeking to save the people, even those just seeking to claim Tato's power for their own. And suddenly, the city thrived again. This is the fate of Aru Town now, a dark and dangerous city that thrives on adventurers while the curses run rampant. Can anyone free Aru Town?